Welcome back. So, we all saw what Sina did in the morning while she goes to school. We all saw what Sina said about her mother, what she describes about how much her mother loves her in the morning, right? Now she has eaten her food and now she is going to her school. All right. Now when she goes to her school, in the page number 11 given there, we can see a background picture. ओके नाउ डिस्क्राइब टू मी चित्र में उस चित्र में क्या क्या है और उस चित्र में सीना के की कौन कौन है और सीना कहाँ जा रही है. वेयर इज सीना गोइंग टू. ओके यू कैन अंडरस्टैंड बाय सीनाज ड्रेसिंग और सीना कहाँ जा रही है. वेयर डू यू थिंक शी इज गोइंग. राइट with a bag and with a uniform, where will be she going? Okay, I want you to write down these three questions. चित्र में क्या क्या है, चित्र में कौन कौन है और सीना कहाँ जा रही है. All right. Now the second chapter is about Sina going to her school. Okay, that in the page number 11 it was Sina का घर. Okay, सीना के घर में माताजी, पिताजी और भाई है. All right. Now we are moving on to the page number 12. Now Sina is walking to the school. So whom does she see? It's her first day of school. Oh, she sees a friend, a new girl. So she goes and asks her, आपका नाम क्या है? तो वो बोलती है सीना और तुम. So someone goes and asks her, एक लड़की वो उससे सीना से जाकर पूछती है कि आपका नाम क्या है. तो सीना बोलती है सीना और तुम, आपका नाम क्या है. वॉट इज योर नेम, क्या नाम है. वॉट इज योर नेम. सीना और तुम, सीना बोलती है कि सीना, माई नेम इज सीना और तुम. एंड यू, हु आर यू. दैट्स द क्वेश्चन. और तुम मीन्स और यू, हु आर यू. और वो बोलती है मैं अनु, कहाँ रहती हो. अनु बोलती है कि माई नेम इज अनु एंड वेयर डू यू लिव, कहाँ रहती हो. वेयर डू यू लिव. एंड सीना रिप्लाइज अस्पताल के पास. सीना लिव्स नियर टू द हॉस्पिटल. अस्पताल मीन्स हॉस्पिटल. सो वो रिप्लाई करती है कि अस्पताल के पास. एंड देन दे वॉक टुगेदर एंड देन दे रीच द स्कूल. सो अनु पूछती है कि सीना से क्या तुम 5वीं कक्षा में हो. तो अनु आस्क्ड दैट are you studying in 5th standard like you all. Sina is also in 5th standard. Remember when we said it the first, Sina is also in 5th standard. So Anu पूछती है कि क्या तुम 5वीं कक्षा में हो. तो सीना रिप्लाई करता है कि हाँ मैं 5वीं कक्षा में हूँ. Okay, this is called as conversation. It is a conversational story. It's called as वार्तालाप in Hindi. Now I want you all to do one thing. First I want you to make 2 exchanges. I want you to continue the vartalap, or I want you to make 2 exchanges, but just 2. I want 2 from Sina. Like when they sit in the class, I want you to make 2 exchanges between them. Vartalap बननी चाहिए और 2 exchanges between them. I hope you do it good. So the first exercise for today is from the poem 1 and second one is from vartalap आगे बढ़ाए. All right, I want you to make 2 exchanges when the students Sina or Anu, when they sit in the class. I want you to make 2 exchanges. Now here in the 14th page you can see that Sina की profile. Okay, what is a profile? Profile talks about है, हमारे बारे में profile कहता है. For example, when you come to school or when you go for anything, always carrying a profile is good. For example, like your Aadhaar card or your passport or your ration card. That's all a profile for you. It all describes about you. So in the page number 14 there is given a profile from school. Okay, नाम है सीना के. सीना's नाम है सीना के. कक्षा 5. School GUP school Vadagara. Okay, Sina is from Kaksha 5. She is studying in 5th standard. School is GUP school Vadagara. and she asks about Ayu. Ayu means your age. It's 11. Okay, the age is given as 11. Now I want you to all make exactly same profile about you also in the same beautiful box. If you can, color it in the side out of the box. Okay, I want you to color it out of the box and make it as beautiful as you can, and I'll give you a time when to submit it, so we can submit it at that time. So I want you to make a profile. I want you to extend the Vartalab, and from the first chapter I want you to and at the first I want you to make answer those 3 questions. Okay, and from the first chapter I want to take out Saman Shabd and write it down. So I hope you understood the story. Okay, I'll recite the story once again. Okay, when Seena was going to school in the morning, एक लड़की आकर पूछती है कि क्या नाम है, what's your name? Seena replies as Seena. और तुम, and you? So that girl replies, मैं अनु. कहाँ रहती हो? Where do you live? So Seena replies, अस्पताल के पास. अस्पताल again is hospital. Near to the hospital. के पास means near. And then Seena, when they reached the school, Anu asked, क्या तुम 5वीं कक्षा में हो? Are you in the 5th standard? So Seena replies, yes. Alright. So I want you to continue the Vartalab when they sit in the class. Just 2 exchanges. I want you to be as creative as you can. Bring the best out of you guys. I want you to challenge yourself and bring the best from you guys. I'll be expecting really good Vartalab, and I want you to do it. So when we come to the end, I'll describe out the 4 exercises. First, from Pyari Ma, from the poem, I want you to take Saman Shabd. For example, प्यारी प्यारी, ऐसे ही बाकी समान शब्द वो वहाँ लिखा गया है, उसे लेकर I want you to write it down. Okay, from the second chapter of घर. Okay, चित्र में I want you to answer first 3 questions. चित्र में क्या क्या है? Who all are there in the photo of page number 11? I'll share you the page also. And the second question is, चित्र में कौन कौन है? Who all are in the picture? Alright. And third question is, Seena कहाँ जा रही है? Sorry, Seena कहाँ जा रही है? Where is Seena going? Okay, these 3 questions. And then comes, I want you to, after Seena reaches the school, there happens a Vartalap, a conversation between Seena and Anu. I want you to make 2 exchanges, just 2 exchanges between them, between Anu and Seena. If you want, you can start first with Anu, or if you want, you can start first with Seena. For example, like Seena पूछता है कौन कौन है तेरी घर में, तो Anu replies मेरी माँ, मेरी पा और मेरी भैया and my grandparents, for example, like that. Okay, and then I want you to make fourth Seena के प्रोफाइल. ऐसे ही आपका प्रोफाइल, आपका नेम, ओके, आपका नाम फर्स्ट, आपका कक्षा, which standard you are studying in, third one is आपका school, and fourth one is आपका आयु, how old you are, your age. So I want you to make as beautiful as you can be. With the fourth one, I want you to make as beautiful, make it really beautiful and really colorful, the profile. Alright, I hope you understood. If you have any problem with the class, do reply in the group. Thank you.